So it's really interesting and it's really varied. And of course, you mentioned mega projects. The 800-pound gorilla is very much the NEOM project, which is progressing in build, engineers on the ground day in, day out, making sure that that plant gets built and starts producing renewably generated hydrogen and then ammonia for delivery primarily to Europe. So that is very exciting because that's the largest project of its kind moving forward, having got final investment decision a few months back. But there are lots of other things happening. So different regional strategies around hydrogen. Abu Dhabi has its own strategy, Oman has its own strategy. And you can see the different approaches in Oman, for example. It's very much about using a lot of renewables capability, which are starting to be auctioned. They're starting to look at the land parcels to give out to people or sell out to people in order to build the wind farms and the solar arrays to start producing the hydrogen. And on the back of that, the strategy is about building local employment, making sure there's diversity and equality as part of that, making sure that the local ecosystem is preserved or upgraded. So it's an all-encompassing piece of work. And I think if you see announcements about the ADNOC fueling station, so it's not a mega project in and of itself, but it's a hydrogen refueling station that's just gone into the Middle East, which is another part of the supply chain that is really important to think about. Is are there local decarbonisation and air quality improvement opportunities that you can benefit from? So there are lots of different things popping up. As you say, there are these mega projects going on, but we mustn't only focus on those. And particularly, I think for your industrial gases clients, it's really important to see how the mega projects, which perhaps are traditionally slightly more associated with renewables or fossil industry developers, dovetail with all of the other things that they do in terms of shipping, in terms of gas handling, in terms of end user monitoring and logistics, because I think that's where we tie things all together.